afternoon, sir.
Yes? Hi, y'all.
Are we all okay?
Welcome to the finest fried chicken this side of Mason-Dixon. Allow me to introduce myself, sir. Colonel Chicken. At your service.
You look just like your bucket.
Thank you, sir.
What a great idea. A Kentucky colonel selling chicken.
I tried selling ham, but it just wasn't me.
Anybody can tell you all chicken.
Thank you again, sir. Now, what'll you have? A box, a bucket, or a barrel?
Well, what's the difference?
With the barrel, you get a bigger picture of me. Everything here is made with my secret recipe. Want to know what it is?
I thought it was a secret.
I'm just dying to tell somebody. How about your order, sir? Everything here is to go, except me.
Colonel, I'm hungry, but I'm not here to eat. I thought you might be interested in buying my chicken.
Is that what that is? I never saw a live one before. I thought they was born breaded.
Colonel, I don't know how to say this. Colonel, are you interested in my bird?
To be honest with you, son, I can't stand here talking to you all day. My accent hurts. Look, I'm a busy man. I don't even have time to lick my fingers.
Colonel, this isn't just another chicken. This is my pet, Raquel. I raised her from an egg. She's family.
There's a resemblance. But I'm not interested. I need another chicken like Doris Day needs another freckle. Now, why don't you try the house of pies?
Colonel, you're making a mistake. Raquel's a blue ribbon winner. Feel those wings. Look at those legs. I didn't name her Raquel for nothing. Calm down, Raquel.
That's not bad for a chicken.
Colonel, I'm desperate.
You're also weird. I'll tell you what. Since the war is over, I will give you $2 for your whole...
$2? You kidding? You're insulting her giblets. Don't listen, Raquel. Don't listen. Calm down. She wants to leave. Don't listen, Raquel. Don't listen. Her soup is worth more than that. We're not talking about just some plain jive chicken. This is a proud bird with a golden tail.
She is just another chicken to me. I wouldn't give you $2 for the blue bird of happiness.
Colonel, Raquel is more than just a bird. She's someone to come home to. She even scratches my back into places that I can't reach.
$5. Take it or leave it.
So, sorry, Raquel. Don't cry. Why does a woman always spoil it by crying?
You got yourself a deal, son.
Well, goodbye, Raquel. Remember the good times. Be good. And above all, be tender.
You're sure sentimental for a northerner.
Girl, I'll never be able to eat chicken again as long as I live. I never know when I was eating my own bird. Here, take her before I make a fool of myself. Hold it! Hold it! Deal for? Give me my chicken back. Ah! I couldn't sell a mother. All right, Raquel, I want you to tell me the whole story. You're going to tell me who that rooster was. Was it at the drive-in?